Waves belong in an ocean, not on a roof, but check out all the waves on this shingle. Hi, I'm John, and we got called down on a leak, and first thing I noticed is just how flat this area is. And this type of shingle is not supposed to be utilized after a certain slope or pitch. So what we've got going on here is a reused valley flashing under here that's got a lot of old nail holes in it from it being used once, and snow, ice, water, everything's sitting on here, allowing water to just dam backwards or leak and come through either the shingle area or the flashing area and ultimately inside. So pitch transitions are very important in the installation process. When you have a cut-up roof or different segments, different slopes, it's very important these are evaluated not only for leaks, but for the construction process, what should go back on. If you're curious about an odd leak on your roof system, we want to come give it a check out and see what's going on with that. To set that up, it's a complimentary inspection. All you need to do is call, text, or visit our website.